So hello everyone. So in the previous session, if you have watched the previous video, so you can begin from here. If you haven't watched the previous video, then I suggest you to start from there because it involve connection from this. If you don't understand the first part, you can't build this project. So we have taken an array here like and taken three number as zero. So we have to generate three numbers. So what we are going to do, generate three numbers. So first we are going to write here a function name generate number. We are going to pass a number and this and so we are going to declare an array and create a memory space. Create a memory space and pass the n to it here. We are using a loop for loop initialize array, then condition. So this is Java script. So let so up to n. So we are going to use I plus plus. This is initialize. This is the condition. This is the increment. After this curly braces, and we are going to store this in array of I is equal to math dot float inside math dot float math dot random into 10. We are given here 10 as is set from 0 to 9, so it will generate random number from 0 to 9. After this we call the array return it. We are going to store this function in a JavaScript file. We are going to create here uh, helper.js. We are going to paste it here. So I have written it as helper.js because it is helping our code to generate random numbers and it does not include any props states. So I haven't included it as a JSX. So I have created a new helper.jsx and I can export it using the curly braces and I can write it name get sorry get num. Wait a minute. Get num. So I will write here. So it is app.jsx. We are going to import it here. The mport import. Sorry. We are going to import this in lottery.jsx. mport import. We are going to write the function name from helper. It's sometimes it suggests itself if you are coding in VS Code or you have to write it manually. So after this, get sky is less than 10. So it is correct. So after this, we can write call it here. We can generate number. We have imported So we can write here generate numbers. So how much number we want? Three numbers. So write three. So after this, refresh. Something is wrong. So where we have done wrong. So the function name is Zen. We have called it wrong. So right now we're going to check it. So what is wrong? The requested model does not provide an exported name, get name. Oh, so we have to go in located JX. So we have to make this as generate num. So we go here. So it is per refresh it will generate a new numbers, three numbers. So it is generating new numbers after every searches, every reload, sorry. You can see here. So now we are going to use some styling. So I'm going to open a file lottery.css mode. I think we have over an idea of what is CSS. So I'm not going to explain how CSS right now. So the deep name is lottery. Lottery. So lottery.css. First we are going to import it here, import. So we're going to change the name to lottery. Lottery.css. So we are going to make some border. So border first parameter 1 pixel. So we want to make the lines solid and maybe color, black in color. So let's look at. So we have generated a black solid line of 1 pixel. This is the border line. I think we have the clear view. You can see here we have generated a border like this. So now to make the border edges curved, so I use border radius. So border radius 14 pixel is good. So 14 pixel. So we have made a curved. So after reload, look like this. I think making it different color will make it look better. So I will be making it. Let's make it pink. Depending upon your interest, depending upon you, you can change the color, pixels, and whatever you like. So it is pink in color. And after every reload, it is generating the numbers. So I want to tell you what we have done. First, we have created a function in helper.js that generates random number from 0 to 9. So this is the formula basically mat.floor, and it generates a random number into 10 instead up to which number, and we have exported that number and imported here in React and used here and generate how much number, three numbers, and use this lottery, use dot to access the lottery as its class name is lottery, and we use the border that is 1 pixel and solid line of 1 pixel and pink in color. So border radius is the curve. So moving on to the next phase.